Today I'm going to walk you through how to log out of Telegram Messenger on your iPhone. Maybe you're switching devices, handing your phone to someone, or just need a fresh start. Whatever your reason, knowing how to securely log out is an essential part of keeping your data private and your app usage organized. By the end of this video, you'll have confidently signed out, understanding each step and the importance behind it. Let's jump right in. First off, grab your iPhone and locate the Telegram app. The icon should look like a paper airplane in a blue circle. If you're anything like me, your home screen may have a dozen similar-looking apps, so take a moment to double-check that you're opening the right one. Go ahead and tap it and it'll bring you straight into your Telegram chats. Next, let's head to the Settings tab. On your iPhone, the Settings area for Telegram is found in the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear-shaped icon there. Why Settings? Well, this is where Telegram keeps all your account-related preferences, privacy tools, and yes, where you log out. Tap the Settings button and your account profile will come up. Now your screen should display your name, profile picture, and a bunch of menu options like privacy, notifications, and so forth. We're looking for the edit option. It's usually tucked away in the top right corner of the screen, right on your profile section. Tapping edit doesn't change your account just yet. It unlocks settings for your personal details, including the important option to log out. When you tap edit, the interface might look slightly different depending on your app version, but don't worry, just look for that word edit in the corner. With edit opened, you'll have a longer menu with options to tweak your picture, name, phone number, and more. This will also display the options we need for signing out. Here's an easy tip. Simply scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen. Sometimes these account actions like log out are deliberately placed at the end to prevent accidental taps, sort of like putting a parachute cord where you won't snag it by accident. When you reach the very bottom, you'll see a red text option that says log out. Telegram puts this in red so you know it's a big step. Think of it like a do not enter sign. It's serious, and it demands attention so you don't log out by mistake. Go ahead and tap log out. Now, before it actually signs you out, Telegram will pop up a confirmation prompt. This is their way of double-checking, are you really sure? It's like the app saying, are you absolutely positive you want to leave? If you're ready to log out, just confirm at the prompt. Remember, logging out doesn't delete your chats or your account, you're just removing access from this device. If you ever need to log back in, you'll simply enter your phone number again and verify. And that's it, you're signed out from Telegram Messenger on your iPhone. This process is quick, but being careful with each step means you keep your messages secure and your privacy intact. Don't worry if something looks a little different. Telegram sometimes updates their layouts, but the overall process remains very similar. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button below. And if you have any questions or something didn't work for you, just drop a comment and I'll try to help you out personally. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. See you in the next video.